और इसी तरह एक लव स्टोरी की शुरुआत What? सही है बेटा, देख रहा हूं मैं। 1 इंच भी Asuka, I'm being followed. I'm really creeped out. I'm scared. He found my home. What should I do? Fucked. Asuka, are you home now? Did you lock the doors? Yeah, it's an auto lock, so it's locked. Should I call the police? It may be better to refrain from them from now. Without much evidence, I doubt the police would do anything. Even if they come, you might provoke the guy. अरे बस भाई इतनी जल्दी। That's scary. I wish. मैं देख ही नहीं रहा। थूक। Unknown. Are you sure you can trust? Ignore him. If ever me, well, you're fine on your own. Because no matter what you do, you're all mine. Is it okay to just rely on just one person? If it were me, I'd get more allies. Well, you're fine on your own. Because no matter what you do, you're all mine. Should I unblock her क्या? कर देना चाहिए शायद। जरूरत है थोड़ी। Is it really okay? या मतलब स्टिल कोई और फॉलो कर रहा है तो पटा लेंगे उसको। Let's start over. Well, do you mean my friend is suspicious? Are you talking about Asuka? You unblocked me. Thank you. अरे कोई बात नहीं, चिल मार लौंडे। This involves your friend Asuka-san as well, but recently your face got exposed during the stream, right? How did you know? Stalker. Sorry, I was watching Sandra Nina's stream. Well, even if I didn't watch the stream, the story was spreading everywhere, so I probably would have found out. Were you hacked? I'm not sure, but I ran an antivirus scan and it was fine. Never mind that. What does this have to do with Asuka? I think Asuka-san has something to do with the whole thing. Take a look at this. Look at what? Ooh. What is that? I just happened to see her talking to a suspicious guy today. I also don't want to believe it. No way your best friend is. But if I see something like this, besides Asuka-san is the only one that can enter her house freely, right? I can't help it but find her suspicious. I know it's tough for you, but think about it. Good. Asuka? That is impossible, but that photo, I have no choice. I have to block her. Block करने से क्या होगा?
Yes, exactly.
Oh. It's fucked up. Huh? The door isn't opening. Oh, बाहर से लॉक कर दिया उसने कुत्ते ने. Oh. What? वेट तो कहाँ पे छिप सकता हूँ? कहाँ पे छिप सकता हूँ? कहाँ पे छिप? वेट. मेरे को प्लान बनाना पड़ेगा. मेरे को प्लान बनाना है. ये यहाँ से निकलना है. एक स्ट्रीम वाला डोर है. एक मेरा घर को खुद बचा जहाँ पे मैं सोता हूँ वहाँ पे नहीं जा सकता. वहाँ पे कुछ है नहीं छिपने के लिए. ओह शिट. तो मैं ओह शिट. Okay. I'm ready with the screwdriver, motherfucker. Now it's the time. यही टाइम है. शायद यही टाइम है. अल्लाहू अकबर. Why the fuck I said that? कब मर गया? चलो भगत है. दोस्त. गई. ओह हॉस्पिटल. सपना. वाह सब सपना था ये. नाइस. बहुत बढ़िया. A dream. I thank God. That was scary. I slept so long but I still feel so tired. All right, I have to go to the police. It's already evening. I was planning to staying awake until the morning. I have to go consult about the stalker. I have to go before it gets too dark. I'm so tired. Let's go to the police. Oh. Hey, there is something matter? I wanted to ask something. Is that so? Then let's go somewhere we can talk, shall we? So not at the police box? कोई भी हो सकता है रामखोर. No. You feel more nervous talking in the station, right? We get people like that often. Let's go to a nearby park. I understand you may have been hacked. On top of that, you're also being stalked. A hacker and a stalker. They are probably the same person, but sadly without any evidence, there isn't much we can do. क्या वो तू ही हो? क्या वो तू ही है? क्या तू पुलिस स्टेशन में बैठ के छिप के मेरी स्ट्रीम देखता है क्या तू? If you ever experienced being stalked again, please get in touch with me directly. It would take too long if you called the police. I am always near this police station. I should be able to be there straight away. I'll give you my phone number. Please give me a call anytime. I'll be extra careful when I patrol around here, so please do not fear. Good luck with your work. I am rooting for you. The गाँव is just better भाई. कुछ भी. I'm still scared. Call Aska. अच्छा वो हरामखोर नीम इसकी फ्रेंड. उसको कॉल करना ठीक होगा. अब वो इसका फ्रेंड बोल रहा है कि वो है, पर क्या पता वो इसने जब बोला कि उस टाइम कि स्टॉकर कोई है तो क्या पता वो उसको डांट ही रही हो. क्यों ही करेगी वो मेरे साथ ऐसा? जेलसी हो सकती है पर क्यों, मतलब करना चाहिए. अगर वो स्टॉक करवा रही है और वो मारना ही चाहती है तो वो तो मैं नहीं कॉल करूँगा तो भी मेरे को मार ही देगी, और कॉल करूँगा तो मार ही देगी. तो कॉल करना आई थिंक अच्छा डिसीजन है यहाँ पे. अगर ढंकी हुई और क्या पता मैं बच जाऊँ. एम आई श्योर आई वॉन्ट टू कॉन्टेक्ट देम. अब तो पक्का. आस्का व्हाट्स रॉन्ग, व्हाट हैपेंड? I'm sorry I had you blocked. I just don't know who to trust these days. I know I'm being selfish, but can you come? I'm really scared. I want you by my side. It's almost time for me to start some streaming though. अब भी streaming, okay? मतलब भले घर में आग भी लग जाए तो streaming तो करूँगी ही. 20 minutes later. Okay. दया.
देखा, पढ़ने लिखने की उम्र है और यहाँ
We are going to continue yesterday's game today. Hey, sorry to bother. Is it a bad time? Is it? I checked the fridge, but there is nothing to it. I'll grab something from convenience store real quick. No, I want you to stay. It's very close. But still, I'll be back in just jiffy. I'll be right back. ये खोल तो नहीं देगी दरवाजा? अरे ये तो हाँ, दिस प्लेस Nina.mp4. एक्चुअली स्केरी है. कोई रिकॉर्ड कर रहा था मेरे को पूरे टाइम तक. सोते टाइम दिस इज एक्चुअली आई हैव टू कॉन्टेक्ट समवन. रिकिया मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड, वो भागता हुआ आ सकता है, पर तो भी ध्यान तो रख ही रहा है. पुलिस पे कभी भरोसा मत करना. वो लेट आएंगे और कभी कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा. वो कन्वीन उस पे भी मेरे को पता नहीं क्यों इस बंदे पे क्यों मेरे को भरोसा हो रहा है. मेरे को पता नहीं क्यों. मैं कर रहा हूँ कॉल, जो होगा देखा जाएगा. हेलो नीना. Ricky, I am in trouble. Can you come at my place right away? I'm not sure what's going on, but you need me. I happen to be nearby. I'll be right there. I'm happy you trust me. I'll protect you no matter what. बच्चा मेरे को. What should I do? I have to hide until the help comes. Yep. That's right. Unknown. Did you enjoy the game? I really want to see you. Oh, we can meet today. Well then, see ya. I'm heading over now, so be ready. I'll give you 1 minute. It's fucked up. I have to hide it before he comes. I'm already hidden. Let's wait for my boyfriend. And I'm pretty sure अब की बार किसी को स्टैप नहीं करना है. I have to protect myself. What should I do? Let's try a weapon. There has to be something I can defend myself with. Mouse फेंक के मार मुंह पे. क्या चीज़ है इसके पास जो काम में आ सकती है? ये बढ़िया चीज़ है. ये रापचिक चीज़ है.
चीज बढ़िया है, एकदम रापचिक चीज है.
मैं रेडी हूँ. एनी टाइम एनीवेयर एनी सिचुएशन. घुस गया क्या घर में? क्या नहीं घुस पा रहा? नो हो रहा. मैं रेडी हूँ मत्थे फोड़ने के लिए. उसे शायद अभी वो गेट खोला है पीछे वाला. आजा आजा आजा. वेट कर रहा हूँ. यहाँ से देखो. व्हाट कंटिन्यू? आजा भाई। ओह शिट, आ गया। मैंने बोला था अनिस पे ट्रस्ट कर सकता हूँ। एक लौंडा ही लौंडे को जान सकता है, यू नो। ये एक बॉन्ड है ये। क्योंकि afterward the police officer who consulted me informed me the stalker had been caught. That man was a fan of Senra Nina. As he watched my stream daily, I'm told he began to fall under the illusion that I was his girlfriend. The act of misconstructing your relationship with an online media personality and being under the illusion that you are in an intimate relationship is called parasocial. Oh. It seems that there are many incidents like mine. They told me to stay cautious in the future. After the incident, I felt immediately indebted to Rikia for helping me. I decided to go out with him again. और इसी तरह एक लव स्टोरी की शुरुआत हुई। अब पता चले ये वापस स्टॉकर निकले तो। What's wrong? Hey, you are spacing out. Well, I guess it can be helped after all that trouble. But now you have me by your side, right? Yeah, together strong forever. Well then, I'm gonna go pick some flowers. Oh. वॉशरूम में कौन से फ्लावर पिक कर रहा है ये? Nina, I'm sorry if what I did or said made you feel bad. Aska? But if you could at least see this, is it okay? और इसी तरह एक लव स्टोरी की शुरुआत। क्या कर दिया ये मैंने? ओ कमीना।
雪花飘飘。
Wait, what the fuck? बालकनी से? Go to the next door? Yes. Let's investigate what the Who would do such terrible things? Ooh. Nina, what is this place? It's the room next door. The balcony was open. But I'm glad you're okay, Nina. Anyways, don't worry about me. Go to the police. It's too dangerous to stare quickly before he sees you. Hurry up.
Let's go to the police. अभी किस लोग हैं जब
Thank you. Finally. Follow through. That's so fucked up. That's so fucked up, भाई. That's so. That's too much. Oh, आ रहा है वो, पीछा कर रहा है मेरा. Fuck.
नमस्कार दोस्तों.
Building manager, what's wrong? Why are you such in a hurry? It's not good, girl. To shut the fuck up. Let's go to back. No, ignore. Miss Nina? What? No, fuck you. Fuck off. I'm going to police. मेरे को किसी पे no, what? Police? Excuse me, something happened. It's dangerous to young lady. I'll hear you out. Run away, talk to him. भाई सभी क्रीप है, क्या करूं मैं? मेरे को इस पे भरोसा ही नहीं. वेट मेरे पास एक कंस्पिरेसी थ्योरी. ये बंदा उस टाइम पुलिस स्टेशन में जाने से भी मना कर रहा था बंद को कि नहीं कहीं और जाके बात करते हैं. फिर ये कभी पुलिस स्टेशन में दिखता नहीं, ये कभी कचरे उठाता रहता है. नो, आई एम रनिंग अवे. ये है ही नहीं पुलिस वाला. अब की बार सही से मेरे को गेट खोलना पड़ेगा. ओह थैंक गॉड. फाइनली. In conference held by police. 4 suspects have been arrested under the suspicion of illegal entering the home of an online live businessman Ricky. मेरी वो
母親で不動産業を営む宮本由紀子容疑者。母親の弟でパートの白田作業容疑者。実行役の無職悪臭共和容疑者の4名とみられています。警察の調べでは主犯格の宮本力也容疑者は事件の5日前ほどから
incident and pressured her to get back together. Oh, haramzada. Ricky is suspected of stalking victim by following, spying on instructing collaborator to enter the victim's house. Bro, the other 3 suspects are each accused for assisting said crimes. Additionally, Shirota has been suspected for posing as a police officer. मेरे को लगा ही था. The 4 suspects are said to have admitted the charges. How can you what now? इतनी मेहनत और हार्ड टाइम के बाद फूड ज़रूरी है. Thanks, looks delicious. Oh sorry, just the last time I made you this dish. Feel like distant past. Those guys look like they got caught. I'm so glad. But who would have thought that they were all in it? Nina, the things you had to go through, if only I had noticed how serious it was. Something like this wouldn't have happened. That's not true. Asuka, you're the reason I'm here now. Thanks for putting in that way. You should moved out. Yeah, sahi mein. Yeah, be careful not to repeat the same thing. Which reminds me. What was it? I heard the developer released a new game. Didn't you mention that game was too difficult for you? I had the developer released a new game. What was the game called again? The Convenience Store, I think. I read it's not tricky as Akamanto. It's a Japanese style horror game and nice promotion. Here it's easier on casual players like you, Nina. Do check it out. Like इससे पता चलता है कि एक गर्ल की लाइफ कितनी हार्ड हो सकती है. लाइक हर जगह तुम किसी पे भरोसा नहीं कर सकते, किसी भी जगह. मेरे साथ ऐसा हो जाए तो मैं तो निकलने ही बाहर बंद कर दूँ. Nice, good game. Good game. Press any key to skip. That's it, yeah. और तुमको भी वीडियो पसंद आया तो सब्सक्राइब एंड लाइक तो करना ही है. गुड बाय.
雪花飘飘，北风萧萧，天地一片。